In this video, I'll show you how to fix Roblox no sound driver error. Now first what we want to try is we want to come down here, right click on our sound, go to sounds in here, go to playback and make sure you have the correct one as your default device. Now in here you should be able to see you have many different ones. When there's something playing on your desktop, this one will move up and down if it's the correct one. Now make sure you set it as default. And then make sure you set the one in Roblox as this one. Now obviously if you have the no sound driver, it means you cannot see it. So what we want to do is try and find it. Now you can do that by coming in here, go to device manager, let it open up. And then in here you want to go to sound. You want to find your default device, which was this one for me. You want to right click on it and update driver. Now if you want just to be safe, you can update all of them. Just right click and update all of them and see if that fixes the issue. Now if this doesn't fix the issue, what you can do is simply come down here, click here, open volume mixer, make sure you have your Roblox turned all the way up. Obviously I don't have any Roblox game open, so I don't have Roblox in here. But if I were to open up a game in here, it would open up. Make sure you turn it all the way up instead of at the bottom. Now after that, what you should try and do is you should come down here and search for troubleshoot settings. In here, select additional troubleshoot and then choose playing audio. Run the troubleshooter for your audio and see if this fixes your issue. Now if this doesn't, another thing you can try is simply take your headphones and take them out of the PC and then put them in again and see if that works. Now as a last thing, we can simply try and do a clean reinstall of Roblox. So search for apps and features, come down here and search for Roblox, uninstall, and then reinstall it. Now hopefully some of these fixed your issue. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.